How's it going? It's APOC. I'm doing a very basic tutorial on how to use Discord. So first you download Discord, and then when you open it up, you should only see this pretty much. You probably won't have any direct messages or anything, obviously, and you won't have a server here. You just have this plus button. So you can click this and create a server, or join a server, and paste the invite link someone has to give you that's already in a server. However, you can also open up the invite link in the browser, and it should open up Discord for you. So we're going to go ahead and join the server there. If you look back here, there's a continue Discord, which will open it up in the browser. We're not going to do that though. So you can use Discord in a web browser. You don't need the app. All right. Once we're in the server, you can see we have on the left side the text channels and the voice channels. Voice channels obviously for voice, text channels obviously for text. To send a message, you just type in here and press enter. You can send attachments here, and you can look at all the emojis here. Some servers also have custom emojis that you can use right here. I don't have any on the server to show you though. All right, so if you want to tag somebody, like I want to tag myself here at APOC, you just do @ and then their name, and you also show you some suggestions here. So you can do that. You can also alert everyone in the server, ping all of them. Some servers have this disabled for certain people, so you might not have access to do this, but you can @ everyone and alert everyone in the server. You can do @ here, which alerts everyone that has permission to view this channel and is online on Discord right now. You can also @ message roles. I don't have any set up for this server, so I can't show you that, but it's just @ and then the role name if the role has the option enabled to be able to ping them, because not all roles have that option enabled. All right, so we can see that I can only see these two channels here. So let's just look at a voice channel real quick just to show you. So when you click on a voice channel, it puts you in there. You can see all the other people here. And you have your mute button and your deafen button. Deafen stops you from hearing everybody. Mute mutes you. There's a disconnect button and a connection info button here. So we're just going to disconnect. All right, so we can only see these two channels. Now this is going into roles. So roles let you do different things on Discord. The higher level of role you have, the more you can do. So roles can prevent you from seeing channels, from seeing but not being able to message in channels, all kinds of things like that. So I have some channels set up here, and when I give myself, using my other computer, an access level 1 role, you can see this general not public chat comes up. So this chat is only available to people with access level 1 role, like I now have right here. So you can see all the roles of a user when you click on their name over here. Let's go back here. Now I want to message APOC. You can just come up here and click, and you can type your message in here and then press enter. You can also right click and see all these other options. There's a message option there. You can right click in the chat wherever their name's mentioned or on their name, like up here. You can add them as a friend. Sometimes you will need to do this. One way to click on it, you click here and then click view profile and send friend request, or you can just right click and do add friend. You can also block them like that, invite to other servers that you are part of, call them. So let's go into a DM actually. So we're going to message myself, and I already said hi, but I'll say it again. So this is what the DM screen looks like. You have the option of video call, voice call, pretty simple there. Pin messages. To pin a message, you just hit these little options beside it and click pin, and it pins it up into a list right here. You can add friends to this to make like a group DM. You can search through your messages. You can search through only messages that mention you, which I mentioned is the @ thing with your name. And then there's also a help button there in case you need it. You can view your friend activity here and game activity. Those aren't really important. So that's basically all. And if you see these things with bot beside them, they are actually bots that automate things. So you can usually see what they're playing to see what their command is. So bots do all kinds of different things. Dino bot is probably one of the most common ones you'll see. You don't really need to know much about that. Just know that they're usually for like moderating and things like that. So the bot might message you a few times or something. So don't freak out about that. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you know a little bit how to use Discord now. Again, you just click through these to switch to the different channels. There'll be categories on things too. So text channels is the category name for this, but it could be something else. You can have multiple as well. You can have a ton of channels. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you enjoy using Discord. Peace.